Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method, you can just open phone application, open keypad and enter the secret code, which is *#06#. And here you can see your IMEI 1 and also IMEI 2. And the second method, you just have to go to settings, then to the system section, then about phone, and here you can then in status, and here you can find serial number, and also in IMEI information you can see your IMEI 1 and also IMEI 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.